Sure. So I'm Jeff Sheets. I'm a senior principal consultant here at DevObsessed for about 15 months or so. I've been doing software development and consulting over the last 20 years. I would say TypeScript because we can use it on the front end, on the back end. It's got all the nice language features that all the fun languages have these days, and it just kind of makes your life easier. Project I'm most proud of? Sure, a project I worked with a charity organization who would raise money on a certain day of the year for the community, and got to help build that application and run that application live on their day of giving. And they give millions of dollars every year on this day, and it's just really fulfilling application. That's a funny question. So I was originally an architecture major back in college until I realized that software and computers was where my heart always was, and I was always into that as a kid, and my parents always said, just take your time to realize it yourself. And so software development, I went into computer science and then started my first job out of college and fell into a great organization that just taught me and never looked back. Typical day. So I spend most of my time writing code for clients. There's usually some morning meetings, whether that's planning meetings or daily stand-ups, and then finding whatever task it is for the day or for the week, working through that, but also helping out other team members along the way. Lots of conversations about code reviews and some mentoring, but really just a lot of getting things done. Well, I kind of have two. So I have one in the office here, which is kind of trimmed down, and I use the laptop as a screen, and I have a second monitor, keyboard and mouse is what I go with. I like the stand-up desk, so I can kind of move around a little bit here and there, and good pair of headphones. I probably read the social networks a lot. It keeps me up to date, following a few different people, and then podcasts. Everywhere I go, in the car, mowing the lawn, I'm listening to podcasts about something, new technology, and those kind of keep me up to date. The biggest challenge for everybody is that things change so quickly, whether that's at a small scale, like just front-end frameworks. It changes week to week, month to month, or it's a larger scale like AI and ChatGPT and things coming down the road. There's just a lot to keep in your mind and to learn, and I guess part of the joy of development is just learning all the time too. Secret talent. So lately I've been getting into 3D printing. The 3D printer and making cool signs around the house and Halloween decorations and Christmas things, and I don't know if I'm too talented yet, but I'm working on it and getting there.